Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy. I'm a Nigerian food blogger, lifestyle and consultant. Join me as I take you through my culinary journey. I'm super excited that I'll be starting my YouTube channel. Hope you find my channel educating, refreshing and entertaining. Studio started out as a very rough area. We had to bring in artisans who were in charge of the furnitures, the painting, the burglaries, the tiling, the fixing of the lighting, and all sorts. I'm glad that we've made a lot of progress, and here it is what it is today. I've seen a lot of amazing recipes in the studio. This is where I'll be making amazing recipes here in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm glad that we have made a lot of progress in ensuring that this place looks like what it is today. And the setting up is almost at the finished stage. I'm grateful, thankful that we are starting soon. Making a lot of amazing recipes like Nigerian and foreign foods, smoothies, parfait, and all kind of foods you can think of. Stay tuned, like, share, repost, and subscribe to my channel. I'll also get to share with you how I manage my 9 to 5, my business, my lifestyle, my everything. Please remember to click the like button, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Yalla, bye.